What are you doing?
More snackies.
I don't know if we have any.
We'll have them over here.
Do you have money?
Yes. I do have money.
Where's your money?
I don't know what's my money.
Is it in your pocket?
No.
Is it in your wallet?
No. That's not my arrow.
The green's not going to fit.
This?
It's not going to fit in your pocket.
Cheese and cheese here and here. Toothpaste cheese.
What?
It's toothpaste.
Okay.
Toothpaste cheese.
We'll find some toothpaste cheese.
Toothpaste cheese.